I'm not sure where your short pinwheel is.
I don't.
Replace one 10 mil with another.
I know. You're always missing the 10 mil. Okay, so we are standing in front of the Stealth because we're actually going to do some work on it finally. The Texas 3S meet is in December. It's actually going to be here in Houston. So hopefully everyone that loves 3000 GTs and Stealths can come down to Houston and play around with us a little bit. So we've got a list of things we want to do to it. First thing we're going to do is change the carpet. When we ran the VIN number on it when we first got it, it said it had red interior. Well, clearly it doesn't. And so we don't know if it was changed somewhere in the past or whatever. So we actually found some red carpet from someone up in Pennsylvania, Allentown, Pennsylvania. And so we got it shipped down, shampooed it, cleaned it, looks really good. So now we're going to strip out the interior, put that carpet in there, but we've also got some other things to do, kind of a laundry list. Tweeters, the tweeters, Ethan changed out the tweeters, but we never got them mounted, so there's just a big gaping hole in there.
Kind of rolling in there.
Yeah. Climate control, two of the tabs on the climate control are broken off, and then the dash where it actually screws into the one good one that we've got,
that's broken.
that one's broken. So we got to figure out how we're going to fix that and get that working. Of course, I said carpet, cover, dash clips. We were talking about that, right?
I believe so.
So we're going to figure out how to replace that, change that. We're looking at maybe going ahead and just changing the whole dash, but we're kind of holding off on that one just to see if we can actually fix it. Shift bushings to help it not jiggle so much.
That shifter is sloppy.
The shifter is very sloppy, so we're going to go ahead and change that. LED lights inside the car. Ethan's got a friend that really knows how about lighting and wiring up, so he's going to come over and do that one day, and we'll probably have a video on that. Well, I have defrost vents, so that's what those are. So, and then door panel inserts. The door panels, we stripped off the inserts, and so they're, kind of, there's nothing on them. So we're going to see if we can find some. We found some on eBay a few years ago, and I looked. I can't seem to find them again. So we just have to see what we got.
Seems like a problem for you.
Yeah, not buying it when I see it. Problem is I buy a lot when I do see it. So, so anyway, first project is we're going to strip the interior out, get the carpet in, and get that job done. Okay, so project 1 is done. The carpet is in there. It looks great. It fits good. It took us about maybe 2 hours, if
On and
that.
off.
I went to Ace and got some new bolts for the seats. We went to Lowe's and got some new screws for the kick panel, so they all match and they all fit, which will help the look of the car, I think. So this project's done. The next one, I don't know which one we'll do. Maybe the AC controller, because that's a big pain. Because right now you press a button, it kind of goes in. It doesn't stay steady. So that's probably the next big thing we'll do. Unless, I don't know. Anyway, so again, we're doing this to get ready for the Texas 3S meet. Please, if you have a 3S in the Texas area, and that to me includes Oklahoma, Louisiana, please come down on December. I believe it's going to be December 11th through the 13th, so it's going to be before Christmas. Come down, enjoy the festivities. We'll have more information as it comes available. So again, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know what you'd like for us to look at more or do more of. I've got some good videos coming up on the Charger, and